Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are working on Drew's 59 Lincoln today. There we go, get some light on in here. And we are replacing, let's see if I can get that a little bit better, the ignition switch. So we have our new parts. His kind of just took a on him while he was driving, and he couldn't get it to restart to get it here, so we had to have it towed. So we're doing new lock and key with cylinder and a rewire to the switch. So we'll be here for a little bit because I've got to squeeze in here because I don't have power to get the seat moved. Now, granted, I'm not a big guy, but it's going to take me a little bit to squeeze my butt in there and kind of roll around to try and undo everything. But as always, I will do my best, and hopefully we can get this done shortly because there's other stuff that we need to be able to do to this car, and we can't move it. It's kind of stuck, and we have two other cars in front of it that still need to be worked on yet. So this is a priority this morning. So, okay, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, it's showtime. Okay, well, we're back. So here's the new ignition switch. Nice. We touched this one, and it fell apart. Just completely done. So now comes the fun part of wiring up the new one with that little amount of room to wiggle around and get both my arms up. Yay, lucky me. Say hi, Bobby.
Hi.
Can we tell where Scotty is?
Upside down into the dash.
Literally.
Looking like he's...
There's your ignition switches.
Switch, yeah.
So, we have the new one going in. Yes, I have almost no room. Here's your old one that literally blew apart.
Yeah, that thing grenaded.
So I've got to transfer over. Not that you can really see them because my hands are in the way. Go figure. The one with the orange. These two black and green are going to go for your accessory. Then I can disconnect the yellow for your ignition and get that put on to, there's the finger, okay, onto the back of this one. But there's no room. I mean, I've got from door pillar to seat is about 18 inches, maybe. My shoulders are...
That's being pretty generous, buddy.
Yeah.
But you were using the male form of measurement.
Yeah, I was using...
That's a foot, right?
Yeah. Well, I was using the Manhunt measurement.
Okay.
Yeah. Those of you that know, no. No, you don't. Okay, so we are almost done. I've got two sets of wires to do. Slide it back up into its slot. I don't know if you can see my finger in there. Oh, there we go. There's the finger. Hi. Yeah, so we're just about done. We'll get this taken care of, charge the battery up again, and see if we can't get this beautiful thing to start.
Jumper with the no-co.
Yeah. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you when it's done.